we are. It's day 3, Wednesday, and we're fishing.
You're gonna need to get that out of the hole.
And looks like we might have our first fish. Paul's trying to work it in.
Trying to keep her as slow as they can.
Anything yet, honey?
Yeah, he's out there. We had a 150 foot out or 200 feet out, and then he just ripped off some line.
Yeah.
Bro, there's people who thought Paul couldn't fish. Here he is, reeling the baby in.
How fast are we going?
5'9".
Oh yeah.
You seen it jump or anything?
No, he's just fighting like crazy.
Mike's trying to slow the boat down for us, trying to bring the fish in.
It's in between the behind the swing thing.
Jim's looking for Paul's belt.
No, the spinnaker sheets up forward.
Got a mighty fish there, it looks like, honey.
I see something floating back there. Surface. Right behind Mike.
There's Jim with the belt. Looks like he's gonna have to put it on Paul.
Been waiting all week for this.
Surface back there, man.
Honey, I think you're supposed to have your harness on right now.
We got the poles on it.
Our fish is somewhere out there.
Dragging that 38 back there. Time of day, is it? 2:30. 2:30, first hookup. That was what, 30 minutes into fishing?
30 minutes into fishing.
Inside my future eyes, what I see just makes me cry. Slow down now, way down now. The clocks will all run backwards. All the sheep will have 2 hands. A Thursday night and Friday will be on Tuesday night instead. All the times keep on changing, and the movement will increase.
Boys. great wind right now. As you can see, it's blowing 13, 17 knots.
I'm not used to trying to drive slow. You know, probably wouldn't hurt.
Probably wouldn't hurt, but find it right.
Yeah.
I can slide back that direction.
Take a picture of you.
He's trying to,
And we'll be back to see what we end up with.